stretch with Hoot. Big stretch with
Two
Hoot.
big stretches.
Oh, big stretch. Hold up, Hoot. Oh, Hoot is so happy to see his friends. Two big stretches. One more. Oh, big stretch. That's right. And Hoot has a special message for his friends today. Hoot says, since you guys are the only birdies at home, you get to be the busy bird. And Hoot would love to have you do some kid news and see what you have to say for kid news. So when you do your kid news, maybe take a picture of it and have Mommy and Daddy send it to Hoot, because Hoot is very curious what is happening with his friends, okay? And today, we are in Ainsley and Lyndon's room, and we are going to read you another Mo Willems book. Can you hold on to Hoot for me, baby? Thank you, love. We're going to read another Mo Willems book. Which Mo Willems book are we doing today, friends?
Pigeon is getting back.
The Pigeon Needs a Bath. And so the craft that I'm sending you guys today, okay, you're going to get your very own pigeon that you can color and
get
cut
him
out.
really dirty.
That's right. We colored him blue first, right? And then what did we do, Ainsley?
Got him really
Really dirty because he needs a bath. We colored
Look, can I
brown
see
and mud on him and food, all sorts of things on him. And then we made our very own bathtubs. What did we make our bathtubs out of?
Paper plates and paper
plates. And we painted them blue so they look like a bathtub.
And the pigeon goes inside.
That's right. And then the pigeon goes inside the bathtub. So we used 2 paper plates. We painted them blue, and then we cut one of them in half. And you can staple or glue the half on top, and then you have a little pocket, your little bathtub, to stick your pigeon in, right? Okay, so Miss Emily is sending that to you guys as well. All right, so now I'm going to read the book to our early bird friends. Can you guys say bye, friends?
Bye,
Bye, birdies. Yep, say bye, birdies.
Bye.
Okay.
I'm gonna have.
Okay, you can take Hoot, okay? All right, so we're going to read The Pigeon Needs a Bath by Mo Willems. And look at, what is Pigeon doing? Is he playing in the mud, getting so dirty? Oh my goodness, the pigeon really does need a bath. Wow, gosh. So, this is our friend, and he says, hi, I don't know if you've noticed, but the pigeon is filthy. That's another word for very dirty. So I could use your help because the pigeon needs a bath. And Pigeon says, that is a matter of opinion. I don't think the pigeon wants to take a bath. What a kidder. I don't really need a bath. Does Pigeon look like he needs a bath to you? He looks pretty dirty to me. I think he needs a bath. I took one last month. I think it was last month. Last month? That's a long time ago. Clean, dirty. They're just words, right? I don't know, friends. He looks pretty dirty to me. I feel clean. Maybe you need a bath. Oh my goodness. Yeah. When was the last time you had a bath? Oh, that was pretty recently. Did you take a bath yesterday? Today? Miss Emily took one this morning. Life is so short. Why waste it on unimportant things? Like taking a bath. Oh, Pigeon really does not want to take a bath, does he? What smell? I don't smell anything. Does Pigeon look kind of stinky to you guys? What do you think he smells like? Woo! You. And if I do, it's a very normal smell for a pigeon. In some places, it's impolite to take a bath. I don't know about that. Uh-oh, here come some flies. Uh-oh. Whoa. All of these flies buzzing around me are purely coincidental. Oh, and the flies say, bzz. P.U. Yuck. Let's get out of here. Uh-oh. Take a bath, dude. He's too stinky even for the flies to hang around. That must be pretty stinky. Okay, fine. If it means so much to you, I'll take a bath. Whoa! I'm not going to like it one bit. He's got a little rubber ducky too. The water is too hot. Too cold. Turns on more water. too lukewarm, too hot, too wet, too cold, not enough toys, now too many toys. Can you guys see all that? Oh my goodness. He's having a hard time getting it just right. Too deep, not deep enough, too cold, now it's too hot again, too reflective. That is still too hot. Well, I guess this is okay. I think he's trying to not get in the tub. What about you? Is he stalling? Splash! Look, he jumped right in. What letters do you guys see, friends? S-P-L-A-S-H. Splash! Hey, this is fun! Wash, 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 washy. La, 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 la. Singing in the tub. This is the life. I love bubbles. Look at my wrinkly toes. You see those wrinkly toes? Does that happen to you in the tub? Hello. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. I'm a fish. I'm a fish. Is the pigeon having so much fun in his bath? I think he likes it. 10 hours later. That is a really long bath. Pigeon says, "Can I stay in the tub forever?" And look, there he is, splish splashing. He's having a great time. Well, Pigeon was glad he took a bath. So, friends, that was Pigeon Needs a Bath by Mo Willems. We love Mo Willems books. So, I would love to see if you guys do some kid news, what you guys are sharing with your families. And if you make the bathtub for the pigeon, I'd love to see some pictures of it. I miss you so much, my friends. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. I love you. Bye, birdies.